Hey everybody, it's Chandra from Chandra Sparkle and Shine Shop, and today I am doing an unboxing video for my mid-February paparazzi order. So I've already actually opened the box, and but as you can see, this package arrived by FedEx today. This is protective bubble wrap that covers everything, and your jewelry, all your jewelry arrives individually wrapped. Let's see what we have here. So it has an outer wrapping that has a label on it, and then it actually has an inner wrapping. As you can see, this necklace has a charm that says love on it. Love is patient, copper necklace. So what I like to do, like, because I'm an 80s baby and I grew up in the era of like digging for the prize in the cereal box, I am searching for, found it, my Hostess rewards. Whenever you order from Paparazzi as a consultant, for every 10 pieces that you order, you receive one free. So everything in this pack is all free. So, and it's a surprise to you. You don't choose them. They're selected for you. So I'm always curious to see what I got. So Year to Shimmer brass necklace and earrings. Cute. Oh my goodness. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I'm going to be able to sell this one. This is totally cute. This is all seed beaded, and it has a matching set of earrings with it in teal, wide open spaces, blue necklace. Look at that. This is so nice. These were sold out. I couldn't get this when I ordered, so, but luckily I did get one with Hostess rewards. So that happens. You know, you might have been eyeing a piece, it gets sold out by the time you place your order. You still have another opportunity to actually get your hands on it through your Hostess rewards. This is cute. Moroccan Moon silver necklace. Ooh, these earrings, I didn't see these earrings at all. So some fuchsia, some earrings with the fuchsia chandelier style beads. Very cute. And a bracelet, center stage chick blue bracelet. Let's see. Okay. Get this bracelet open for you guys. Okay. Oh, now that's pretty. Yeah. So, a nice bracelet with dainty blue rhinestones. That's really pretty. So that's basically what it's like to unbox. Ooh, these are cute. The Tough Girl copper hoop earrings, big hoops. I love my hoops. Let's see. What else do we have here? Oh, this is nice. Sassy Stonehenge copper necklace. I was looking forward to this one. And oops. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post a part 2 to this video. I'm trying a video solo here, so I'm going to open these up and go ahead and make another video with some pieces of the jewelry unwrapped. So and I'll put it on YouTube, and I'll also put it on my Facebook page. But I just wanted to let you know that it only takes $99 down to get started to become a paparazzi consultant. You get a starter kit that includes product, a sampling of the best-selling jewelry and accessories, and then you also receive some display pieces to help you, get set up and start displaying and showing your merchandise. And from there, you, ooh, this is pretty. Heartbreak Hotel, the little heart diamond on it. But from there, you go ahead and set up your consultant account, and then you can hand pick each and every piece of jewelry that you want to order from there on out. So you kind of get a sampling to see, an idea of the kind of pieces that are available, and to help you get started just with based off sales, things that sell well. And then from there, you order, and you get orders like these, and you get to go through them and have fun, really have fun with it. My customers actually love when I bring a box like this because they know it's brand new stuff. They don't care. They're digging through it with me. We're opening it up. They're trying it on. They love, when they get the opportunity to be the first ones to get new stuff, and it is really fun. Once again, this is Chandra's Sparkling Shine Shop. Today is February 20th. This is my mid-February order. These are things that I'm going to have in my personal consultant inventory that will be available through my home parties or ordering directly through me, through my business page, or seeing me at a vendor event. And then I'm going to post a part 2 of this video so you can see better and more up close pictures of the products. And then, as always, you can order 24 hours online at Paparazzi Accessories. My consultant number is 31968. So there's tons more styles on there. If you don't see anything that you like in this in the unboxing video, but I'm positive you will. Some super cute things. There's some lanyards. Oh, here it is. There's lanyards in here, a work of art of heart gold lanyard. So I'll be wearing this to work tomorrow, and I have another one to sell, don't worry. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, please share, comment, let me know what you'd like to see, what you're interested in, and I will get that next video up for you real soon. Thanks.